Hello and welcome everyone. If you are new to this channel, my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Engineers Live. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then subscribe to this channel, because on this channel, I'm going to share all the ideas, insight, tools and tactics that will help you to go from whatever level you are currently in the software industry, okay, to the epic level of success. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed, then subscribe to this channel and let us begin. If I'm a fresher in a development team, will project manager give me hard work, or they will treat me as a fresher and give me small work? Thanks in advance. Hurry, that will depend on how you appear in front of the project manager. If you are ready to take challenges, okay. When I joined my first company, I did not have the knowledge of support. I did not know whatever product I was supporting, nothing. So the manager asked me, how are you going to do this? And I said, I'm going to learn everything that is required to do the support. Okay. And he gave me 5 books to read. And in 5 days, I read each and every book. It was small booklets they were. I read all the books and I told my manager that I'm ready. Okay. And I was ready for challenges from day one. And I told my manager, I want you to give me the hardest things. If I fail, I will come back to you and I'll ask you, but I want to try. Okay. So it all depends on what you tell your manager. If you tell your manager that, look, I'm ready to try, I'm going to do my best, then your manager will give you that. Okay. Even if he starts with simple thing, that simple thing, start doing it so well that your manager starts thinking, okay, this person is doing everything really well. Okay, he's not leaving bugs, he's doing a code review properly, he's making sure he's writing good, tidy, neat code, everything is good. Then your manager will start giving you complex stuff. Okay, your manager is also testing out. And that is also a very good way to increase your salary, because now if there are 2 engineers who start at the same time, one engineer is taking all this complex stuff and he's delivering to the manager perfectly. Another engineer is not delivering, he's taking all the easy stuff because he's thinking, oh, what if I fail? What if I fail? Okay, and the manager sees this person who's delivering so much, the manager is going to give him a very high salary increase than the person who is taking all the simple stuff. Okay, because your salary is not dependent on the number of years you work. It is dependent on the value you put to the company. If you are out of college, get a job. There is no other thing. Do whatever you want to do, but first get a job. Okay. So thank you very much for coming live on this channel with me, Musings with Engineer. Next live will happen Thursday, 9:15 p.m. Thank you very much. Have a good day.